Hello everyone, in this video I will show you new peg event glitch strategy in the Monopoly Go, and you can use it. So this glitch is available for very less period of time until and unless the next update comes on Monopoly Go here. So you can always use it. The first you have to set up, right? Which you can do it, ensure that the peg E token is positioned on the right side and the dice on the left side of the interface. Right, so this is really important because you have to make sure this. Now players should aim to hit a 30x multiplier when using the token. This multiplier allows for continuous earning without switching away from peg E token, which is where the glitch comes into the play. Always aim for the far right, and once you aim for the far right slot when dropping tokens, this strategy increases the likelihood of landing the peg E token, enabling players to accumulate points more rapidly. By leveraging this glitch, players can use fewer tokens to reach rewards such as a wildcard. For example, one player reported using 880 tokens to achieve a wildcard reward through this method. So in this way you can do it. So the new strategy is not only simplifies gameplay but also enhance the potential for earning rewards in the peg E event. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.